Hi, my name's Kazmaier. I'm a small business owner. I run a home healthcare company called CalaCare, and I'm still going to work, so I am filming from my car. We have about 100 staff out in the community currently who are caring for isolated seniors, people who are chronically ill, people who are dying at home, and we're trying to do our part to keep people out of the hospital. I mean, that's always our mission, but especially important right now as we're facing a global pandemic. So, I mean, as an entrepreneur, you start a business by being resourceful and persisting in the face of adversity. And this is certainly a new challenge to overcome. Normally we have about 180 staff, and we have 90 to 100 working currently because of childcare issues, being told or on the recommendation of the chief medical officer to only work for one healthcare provider to try to reduce the risk of transmission of COVID-19. So, the staff that we have, we're so grateful for, and I'm really inspired by them going out every day and continuing to show up for work to take care of the vulnerable in our community. So here I am, heading in, starting the day off by filming in my car. Now it's so strange walking into a mostly empty office, just my husband and I here most days, and one of our nurse care managers who doesn't have a great work from home space. So here we are, part of the forced digital revolution with the rest of our team working remotely. So since I'm a nurse, probably the best educational tip I can offer that's topical is how to properly wear a face mask. So it's becoming more popular. I see people at the grocery store walking down the street wearing a mask. So just a few things to consider if you choose to do this. First, these are in short supply, so please use sparingly, reuse as appropriate, and if you are going to wear it, just a few things to keep in mind. First, wash your hands before you touch your face, always, and before you put on your mask. So once you've washed your hands, take your mask. If you have a disposable mask like me, make sure you grab it by the ear loops or the straps, not by the front of the mask. And then you will put it over your mouth and nose, and then adjust on the bridge of your nose and adjust your glasses. Make sure it's covering your nose and mouth. And make sure not to fiddle with it. Don't touch your face while you're wearing it. That's the whole point. One of the best things about wearing a mask is it distracts you from touching your face, but also if people are fiddling with it, that sort of thing, you can increase your risk. So be sure you're using it properly. When you're ready to take it off, wash your hands again. Grab it by the straps or ear loops and remove without touching the front of the mask. If you're going to reuse it, like I am, this is not best practice, but we're living in a strange new world. You can put it in your Ziploc baggie without touching the mask. And then wash your hands again. So as we know, the best thing to do is stay home when you're sick, wash your hands a lot, and don't touch your face. Harder to do if you wear glasses, so clean those glasses too. So a quick shout out to the Oakville Chamber of Commerce. Thank you so much for the information and advocacy that you're sending out on a regular basis. Drew, the Chamber staff. It's just so encouraging to know that as a business community and as a citizen, we're all in this together. And of course, another huge shout out to our healthcare heroes and our own frontline staff who are out there every day caring for people who need it.
Bye.